The broken mounts indicate a high-impact collision. The metal is significantly bent near the ocular area. We'll need to reinforce the broken mounts indicate a high-impact collision. The metal is significantly bent near the ocular area. We'll need to reinforce
The panel is seized. I'm gonna need the crowbar.
Copy that. Fetching it now. Check the main power conduit. It's completely disconnected.
Open that panel carefully.
Okay, got it.
Assess the wiring, check for power. The front hubs are seized. I don't see any play in the tires.
Check the suspension.
We need more leverage down here.
Looks like major rust.
The suspension mounts are completely compromised.
Agreed. Look at the structural beams here.
Mark that for immediate replacement.
The corrosion here is extensive. Check the subframe for structural integrity. I think the locks are too rusted to open without cutting.
Engage the winches slowly.
Tension on the chains.
Watch for any seizing. Keep it steady.
The team is making good progress. Incredible how much grime comes off. Looks like it's almost done.
Keep it slow. You've got clearance.
Copy that. Moving steadily.
Just a little further. Perfect. All right, team, let's secure the structure and begin the botanical removal.
Copy that, leader. Assess wheel mounts. Check.
The team is making good progress. Incredible how much grime comes off. Looks like it's almost done.
The primary brushes are starting on the front box.
Adjust the pressure. We have some heavy vines here.
Looks like it's holding up well. Prepare the finer nozzles next.
Keep cleaning that seam. It's coming off slowly, but the metal underneath is rough. Mark that section for cutting. There's too much pitting.
Ensure the supports are secure before attempting to lift.
Got it, boss. Careful, it's heavy.
All right, hooks engaged.
Clear.
Slow and steady.
Lifting now.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables. 10 degrees to the right, slowly. Clear to lift, leader.
The corrosion on this bracket is severe. We'll need a full replacement.
And the hose?
Damaged beyond repair. Order new hydraulic lines and mounts.
On it.
Careful with that connection.
Got it.
Perfect. Now the hoses.
Ensure the shackles are rated. Double-check the rear attachment point. Verified. Slow and steady on the lift.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Clear. Easy does it. Looking good, boss. Keep it steady. Guide it to the platform. Slowly now, slowly. All right, it's down. Careful with the chains. Secure it. We can start the inspection.
The gravity of this corrosion is far worse than we anticipated.
Copy that. Proceed with caution, leader. We need to replace these valves.
Right, marking them for fabrication.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance on the exhaust.
Copy. Hoist is secure.
Slow and steady down to the table. We need those bolts categorized.
The key AT components are holding up well. Good.
Let's finish up the undercarriage.
Agreed.
Keep it steady. Watch the clearance. Looking good, Commander.
The corrosion here is severe.
Focus on the structural beams.
Noted.
Keep it steady there. Watch the weld.
Moving slowly.
Cut closer to the flange.
Roger that.
Beautiful cut.
The frame is holding perfectly.
Excellent penetration on that new section. Keep it steady.
All right, lift it up now. Carefully, it's heavy. Watch the clearance. Make sure that lateral support is completely secured, then we can move to the next axle.
Got it. It's snug.
Perfect.
Keep it steady, tightening the final lug.
Check the alignment. Perfect.
Suspension looks solid. That's it.
All right, team, let's get the new jaw panel secured.
Affirmative, lining it up now.
Excellent. Get those welds clean.
Looking good, boss. Keep it steady, looking good. Another panel here. Watch the heat. All right, this first one is loose. Careless, heavy. Ready for the new part. Installing now, the fit is good. The corrosion is worse here.
We'll need the new mounts for both eyes.
Hand me that solder, I'll start with the right.
Check the alignment.
Perfect, power them up.
They're working.
The panel alignment is precise. Good.
Now check the grille for looseness.
The rust is worse than we thought. Looks like we'll need to replace the entire roof panel. Let's get the new piece fitted now.
Okay, team, the floor looks great. Focus on the control console next. Affirmative, Commander. Proceeding to the dashboard. Ensure every spec is gone. Check the power flow on line 3. Make sure it's secure.
Done.
Now install the primary gauge cluster.
Installing it now, ma'am.
Perfect. Power it up.
Keep the pressure on that seam.
I see some structural damage here.
We need to make sure we get all of this rust.
Line it up with the existing rivets.
Check the measurement one more time.
Perfect. We're ready for the weld.
Keep the heat steady on that panel.
Just checking the seam.
The alignment on the new panels looks perfect.
Understood, leader.
The surface is smooth. Next, let's address the side mounting bracket.
Looks good. Ready for prime, guys? Almost. Just one more pass here.
The feline cab's integration is flawless,
Look at the chassis stability here.
and the panels are perfectly aligned now.
Ready for the road.
Keep sanding the ear.
Affirmative.
Move to the jawline next.
The finish here needs to be absolutely perfect.
Careful around the grill, it's delicate. Keep it smooth along the seam. Looking good. Got it. This side's nearly done.
Ensure an even coat around the sculpted details. Yes, keeping the pressure steady. Check the coverage on the seams here.
Keep those passes even.
Looks perfect, just like the spec.
Almost done with this section.
Keep the coverage even on the lower jaw. We're feathering the ears now. Check the sheen on the hood. The finish looks flawless. Perfection, ready for the final tests.
All right, slowly. Watch the alignment.
Got it?
Perfect. Lower it in. Keep it steady. Slowly. It's aligning.
Perfect.
Just a little to the left. Got it. Looks good.
Ensure the coolant line is secure.
Check. It's tight.
Wiring harness next. Make sure all ports click in.
Done.
Finally, secure the interface cover. Good work, team.
Keep going.
Yeah.
Slowly. To the left a bit.
Perfect.
Perfect. Locks engaged. Good job. Careful with that.
Almost there.
Now, tighten this.
All right, gently now.
Perfect. Just the wiring left. And
It's connected.
there. Let's power it up.
Wow, we did it.
Systems activated. Looking good.
Power holding steady.
Initiate final diagnostics. Confirm stable current.
Check the suspension bolts on the rear axles.
Yes, ma'am. Secure.
Status report. Are all axles within specs?
Affirmative, Commander. Systems stable and functioning flawlessly.
The texture is perfect.
Checking the rear coupling now.
Ensure the chassis bolts are torqued correctly.
All right, team, this is it.
Yeah.
Checking diagnostics, all green. Engage ignition. She's alive.
Yes!
Torque check. Good. Start the ignition sequence. Outstanding. Keep an eye on the coolant levels. The readings are steady. Excellent work.
Affirmative, ma'am.
She's purring like a kitten.
Powering up the biomechanical eye headlights. Activation sequence initiated. Stunning work.
The eye glow is perfect.
Let's do a final pass on the teeth.
Looks pristine. Great work, team.
The restoration is complete.
It's flawless.
Every detail, just as we imagined.
Ready for the road.
The restoration is complete. Bruh.
It runs perfectly.
Outstanding work, everyone.